Yawning. We all do it. But did you know that some animals never yawn? While yawning seems almost universal, from your pet dog to wild lions, some animals don't ever feel the need to stretch their jaws wide. Why? Well, let's find out. Hi, we are Learned by AI, and today we're diving into the world of animals who don't yawn and discovering the reasons behind it. But not every animal needs these mechanisms. Some animals have evolved in ways that make yawning unnecessary, or even impossible. Let's start with the giraffe. These long-necked giants are one of the few mammals that don't seem to yawn at all. Why? It might be because giraffes have such a unique sleep pattern. Giraffes only sleep for short periods, just a few minutes at a time, and spend most of their lives on their feet. They don't enter the deep sleep phases that typically trigger yawning in other animals. Next, we have frogs. These amphibians breathe through their skin and lungs, which gives them a very different way of managing oxygen. They don't need yawns to increase their oxygen intake like humans or mammals do. Since they have a simpler respiratory system, yawning just isn't part of their routine. What about fish? Since fish live in water and breathe through gills, they don't need to open their mouths to take in air the way land animals do. Their oxygen comes directly from the water. Their gills are designed to extract oxygen efficiently, so they don't yawn like creatures that rely on lung breathing. Yawning just doesn't serve a purpose for them. And then there are reptiles like lizards. Most lizards don't yawn because their body temperature is regulated by the environment around them. They're cold-blooded, meaning they don't need to use yawning to help cool or warm their brains. Instead, they rely on basking in the sun or finding shade to control their body temperature. So, while many animals yawn for reasons like cooling the brain, taking in more oxygen, or simply as a reflex during tiredness, these animals have evolved in ways that make yawning less useful or completely unnecessary. The evolution of yawning, or the lack of it, shows just how diverse animal biology can be. Giraffes with their short naps, frogs with their unique breathing, and fish with their gills remind us that not all creatures work the same way. Each species has its own strategies for managing oxygen, energy, and alertness, proving that nature truly does tailor-make solutions for every creature. So the next time you feel a yawn coming on, remember, you're part of a select group of animals who yawn. Meanwhile, giraffes and frogs are just out there, going about their day, yawn-free. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the wild and wonderful ways of the animal kingdom.